Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making the best purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat. Today, we're putting two robot vacuums head-to-head in a battle of the bots. On the left, we have the XIEBro robot vacuum and mop combo, and on the right, we have the Loorow 3-in-1 robot vacuum. Who will clean up the competition? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. The XIEBro comes in at a wallet-friendly $269. Meanwhile, the Loorow is priced at a jaw-dropping $599. That's right, folks. For the price of one Loorow, you could almost get two XIEBros and still have some change left for a celebratory pizza. Reviewers appreciate XIEBro for its cost-effectiveness, especially during sales. So if you're on a budget, XIEBro's looking pretty good right now. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty. Cleaning capabilities. The XIEBro boasts a 2-in-1 vacuum and mopping combo with a 250 milliliters dust box and a 200 milliliters water tank. It can handle dust, paper scraps, and even pet hair like a pro. Plus, it has an electronically controlled water tank with 2-speed water outlet modes. Reviewers note that it provides a thorough cleaning and is especially good at picking up animal fur. On the other hand, the Loorow is a 3-in-1 powerhouse with sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping all in one go. And get this, it has a whopping 4,500 pascals suction power. That's strong enough to suck up your existential dread along with the pet hair. Reviews highlight its strong suction and effective cleaning capabilities. So if you need a vacuum that can double as a black hole, Loorow's your guy. Next, let's talk brains. Intelligent control and navigation. The XIEBro can be controlled via remote or the Tuya Smart app, and it even supports voice commands with Google Assistant. It's like having a personal cleaning assistant who actually listens to you. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use and app functionality. But wait, the Loorow isn't going down without a fight. It features PresaSense LiDAR navigation, which is basically a fancy way of saying it can scan your room and create accurate maps. Plus, it's compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. Reviews praise its advanced navigation and efficient mapping. So if you want a vacuum that can find its way better than you can after a night out, Loorow's got you covered. Let's move on to cleaning modes. The XIEBro offers 3 modes: auto, spot, and edge cleaning. It's simple, straightforward, and gets the job done. Reviewers find it effective for basic cleaning tasks. Meanwhile, the Loorow goes all out with 6 modes: auto, spot, edge, zigzag, scheduled, and manual cleaning. It's like the Swiss Army knife of vacuums. If you want a vacuum that can do the cha-cha while cleaning, Loorow's your dance partner. Reviews highlight its versatility and multiple cleaning options. Battery life and charging, because nobody wants a vacuum that dies halfway through the job. The XIEBro offers up to 100 minutes in quiet mode and automatically returns to its charging dock when it's running low. It's like the vacuum equivalent of a responsible adult who knows when to go home. However, some reviewers wish for a longer battery life and easier maintenance. But Loorow takes it up a notch with a 120-minute runtime and a self-empty dock that can hold up to 60 days of dirt. That's right, folks, 60 days. It's like the vacuum that never sleeps. Reviewers love its self-emptying feature and longer battery life. If you want a vacuum that can outlast your New Year's resolutions, Loorow's the one. Reviewers generally find the XIEBro robot vacuum and mop combo to be a cost-effective and efficient cleaning solution, particularly good at picking up pet hair. However, some have noted issues with the mopping feature and occasional navigation problems. On the other hand, the Loorow 3-in-1 robot vacuum receives high praise for its powerful suction, advanced navigation, and convenient self-emptying dock though it comes at a higher price point. So there you have it, folks. The XIEBro robot vacuum and mop combo versus the Loorow 3-in-1 robot vacuum. XIEBro's got the budget-friendly price and solid cleaning capabilities, while Loorow offers powerful suction, advanced navigation, and a self-emptying dock. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep shopping smart and keep those floors clean. Product links are in the description.